Hi everyone, my name is Lacey and I have a YouTube channel called Lacey May Art, and I am an online art teacher. I wanted to show all of you how I taught myself how to draw. I taught myself how to draw traditionally, but for this video I'm going to show you digitally just because I think it's a bit easier. So the method that I do is what I call learning to see like an artist. The idea is that you break down what you see into shapes. I just did that by looking at images and then really taking my time to draw every line as I see it, but the way that I'm demonstrating to you may be a tad easier. So I've chosen a stock photo from pexels.com. These are images that are free for the public to use. I've brought it into the app Procreate. I'm bringing down the opacity on the image so I can see the image and my drawing at the same time. I draw the lines as I see them, but I do take some creative liberties. For example, thought that the cheese would look better if it was in triangles rather than melted. In my opinion, everyone has their own creative style, the way that they want their art to look. There's no right or wrong way to do art. It's okay to stray away from the picture or to draw it exactly like you see it. After I trace the image, I go back over it again just to make sure that everything is the right size and shape that I want. Then, if you want, you can color it and add details, shading, highlights, etc. Or if you just want to keep it simple, it could just be a doodle. It's just practice, doesn't have to be perfect. And the more that you draw something, the more that you'll be able to draw it without looking at an image, and you'll be able to take even more creative liberties if you want to. There was an artist named Chuck Jones who said, "Every artist has thousands of bad drawings in them, and the only way to get rid of them is to draw them out." Anyway, I hope this helps.